Aerodactyl? I don't even know how to say it. Anyway, Ikki went to the station and he grabbed me an Aerodactyl like very quickly in the morning and came back while I was making breakfast. So fun. Anyway, after that I went out to catch him a grow light and he could evolve into Arcanine. I still need a few more, so I might go catch something, but because of everything that I did today and this morning, I guess I'm gonna be lazy today, so you're not gonna see much. And it's raining anyway, and I don't like walking out in the rain, as you know from previous video. So yeah, that's it for the moment. Ikki wants to eat crepe. He wanted to eat crepe yesterday, but we were too tired to make them, so today I'm making the crepe and Ibari-chan is helping. Add the egg. I need one more. Oh, it takes a nice color. And actually something I never do, like I'm going to add a little bit of vanilla extract. I never do that normally, but I think that's gonna be nice. A few drop. Okay. And this needs to rest for at least 1 hour before I can cook it. So the big crepe machine is warming up now, and if everything goes fine, I will be able to cook my crepes, but I'm not really used to that. Like I used to do it in a pan, but I cannot use that pan here because we are like have gas, so no fire, so the pan doesn't actually eat with that induction plate. So I cannot use the pan, so I have to do it on that machine, but it's a little bit difficult because I don't have, you know, like the skill for that. Like my hands don't know how to use that thing to spread everything, because normally with a pan you can move the pan, but with this machine you have to move your wrist to be able to spread everything, so it's a little bit more difficult, but I'm gonna try again and see what happens. Making the weirdest ever shaped crepe in the history of crepe making. Look at that. At least they're going to be eatable and there is no hole in them, but I don't have enough, like, I don't know, I cannot put enough batter to fill the whole thing, and then it seems like it's not flat, so it just leaks on one side. So yeah, that's my life. This one doesn't look too bad. Haha. Let me turn it around one more. See? I'm getting a knack at it. So Hibari-chan, what do you think of those crepes? I wanna eat. Yeah, me too, I wanna eat. Ikki is not back yet, but... Okay guys, I need to flip that one. So today for the gainage challenge I need twice 35. So let me take, where did I put it? Just a minute. Okay, so I have my clock here. Let me get started. Okay. Ready? Go! Okay, first part done. Just wait a little bit. I can totally do this. 35 seconds. Like, that's a little bit long. I mean, I know I can do more. Definitely, because I did it the first day. But still, just thinking about it, it's just like the thought of it makes it difficult. Like, I don't know, overwhelmed by the thought. Thinking about the difficulty and make it bigger than it actually is. It's like when you're scared of doing something and then you actually did it and then it wasn't scary, like as scary as you thought it would be. Or when you think something is going to be painful but it's never as painful as you think it is. So 35 more seconds, not as painful, not as scary as I think it is. Go. Done. So that was day 5. So I think tomorrow is a rest day, which is good. I need to verify though. Do I have it here? I don't know. God. This phone hates me. Okay. Do I have it here? No, I don't have it here. So I cannot tell you what is going to be tomorrow. Anyway, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the crepe. It was really delicious. And we still have some left for tomorrow morning, so that's going to be good breakfast. See you next time. Have fun whatever you do. Bye.